To thank every one of you for shaping the EM06 trackball community, we wanted to create something meaningful. We 3D printed a tiny EM06 model. This model is not only a magnetic sticker but also a key holder. First, we gave the base a hexagon profile, but this design left no place for names and ready tag. Our designing idea is to achieve a puzzle piece shape with your name on it, so it is meaningful to keep and collect. We tried different layouts, and for the final design, we used the 2-color 3D printing for a sleek look. Everything else, ready tag, personal shoutout, is designed as a slim sticker. As for the mouse, our first idea is to print a ball with a cavity inside for magnets. However, this ball has printing lines, so we used the space gray ball magnet inside. These are the final product, a mouse and a plate. Each component has 2 magnets, one at the front, one at the back. We combine these 2 together, and then here goes your refrigerator sticker. To start, use the rectangular magnet as the anchor. Put it on the back, hold it, find the round magnet, attract it to the back magnetic, and then find another round magnet, put it on top, matching the dot. Finally, the ball, and when you separate them, this magnet, take it off, put it right here. We get the 2 pieces. Thanks again for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much.